Smartechap is a construction design company in Vietnam, focusing on providing advanced solutions to customers. Smartech's team of engineers and architects can remotely use UltraViewer to complete customers' jobs right on their personal computers. Recently, Smartechap completed an important design project of 6 months using Building Information Modeling BIM. This project has been highly appreciated by the investor for its quality and completion on schedule. To achieve this result, Smartechap's team of architects and engineers worked hard and professionally, using BIM model to create an accurate digital model of the project. They have made sure that this model covers all the details, from the location of the items to the various technical features. Using BIM model has helped Smartechap's design team to enhance its ability to analyze and evaluate projects. Through the use of simulation and analysis tools, they can evaluate the effectiveness of design alternatives and optimize them to ensure that the project will perform well and meet customer. It is important that Smartechap's team of architects and engineers clearly understand the requirements and wishes of the investor. They worked closely with the owner to ensure that the project was designed and completed on schedule, while maintaining the quality and feasibility of the project. The use of BIM model has helped Smartechap save a lot of time and cost in the design process. This also enhances project feasibility and accuracy, while minimizing risks during construction and operation. All members of Smartechap's team of architects and engineers have devoted much effort to achieve this result. They have demonstrated their professionalism and dedication to their work. As a result, Smartechap has achieved a remarkable success in providing the most advanced solutions, and, in the future, Smartechap will continue to develop and enhance the capabilities of its team of architects and engineers. This will help the company more and more meet different requirements from customers around the world. Contact us now to carry out your projects. From simple jobs to complex ones, we can serve individual and institutional clients worldwide.